Got a new toy for this. Man, this sticks down everywhere. So, this is on the project list. And I would like your opinion on what I should do with it. Dana 44. I think that's a Dana 30. And they are going to go eventually in this. So what should I do? Lockers? Oh. Forgot. 3-inch lift. I'm told the rear shocks are new. Looks like rusties. But yeah. Let me know what you think I should do with it. Throw them up stock. Disc brake conversion, lockers. Put something down in the comments. Let me know what you think. And if you want to see what happens to this pile of parts, like and subscribe. I think this is going to be my winter project.